Alright guys, welcome to another quick unboxing by Pandaily over here. And guess what we have today? The newly or recently released R17 Pro from Oppo. Very excited to get one of these new devices from them. You guys excited? Alright, let's go. Oh, here we go. Woo! Oh man, look at this thing. Wow, I love the color. Look at this. It's actually beautiful. I'm just gonna tear this thing right off. Oh damn, look at this. Oh man, look at this. This is such a beautiful sheen it's got on the back. It's the dual camera system right here. Okay. And then let's put this down on the side for now. Let's check out what they got else in the box. So we have our earphones over here, and wow, this is a pretty thick box to have. Then we have this super VOOC charge. Apparently you can charge the phone up to 70% in just under 30 minutes. It's pretty damn quick, guys. Alright, let's just go take another look at this beautiful phone. Look at that. That's it, guys. Stay tuned for our review because you always know what comes after a David review, don't you?